Hey there! Dreaming of a tropical family adventure without breaking the bank? Well, have you considered Bali? From stunning beaches to lush jungles, cultural wonders, and kid-friendly adventures, this island is the perfect destination for families on a budget. In this video, we'll share the best areas to stay with kids, must-see attractions, essential packing tips, and the best time to visit. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about where you should stay. Here are 5 of the best areas for families in Bali. Our first pick is Sanur. It's perfect for young kids. The beaches have calm, shallow waters, and there's a great beachfront walkway for stroller-friendly sunset strolls. Plus, Sanur is less crowded than Kuta or Seminyak, making it a relaxed spot for families. Our next pick is Nusa Dua, especially if you're looking for a bit more luxury on a budget. This area is packed with family-friendly resorts, water parks, and safe swimming beaches. Many hotels even have kids' clubs and activities included. Next on our list is Ubud, which is great if you want your kids to experience Bali's culture and nature. Ubud is surrounded by rice fields, waterfalls, and monkey forests. You can take your little ones on easy jungle walks, visit kid-friendly cooking classes, or watch a traditional Balinese dance performance. Fourth on our list is Canggu, which has a cool mix of family-friendly cafes, kids' play areas, and stunning beaches. It's a great spot for families who love a bit of adventure. Think surf lessons, rice field bike rides, and outdoor playgrounds. And our last recommendation for the best areas to stay for families is Jimbaran. This place is famous for fresh seafood and breathtaking sunsets. The beaches here are gentle and kid-friendly, and you can even take your family on a traditional fishing boat ride or visit the local markets for a taste of Balinese culture. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. Here are the must-see attractions for families in Bali. First, we have the sacred monkey forest in Ubud, where you can meet playful monkeys in a jungle setting. But keep an eye on your sunglasses, folks. Next, we have Teganungan Waterfall, which is a great spot for kids to splash around in nature. Another must-see is the Bali Safari and Marine Park, which is an amazing wildlife park where kids can see lions, elephants, and so much more. If you're into splashing around, you should visit Bali Wake Park and Waterbomb Bali. These are both fun-filled water parks suitable for all ages and are perfect for a budget-friendly splash day. Also check out the Tanah Lot Temple, which is a magical seaside temple where kids can explore and families can enjoy one of Bali's best sunsets. So the next thing to talk about is what to pack. Here's what you shouldn't forget for your visit to Bali. Of course, there's the sunscreen and bug spray. The sun is strong here, and so are the mosquitoes. We also recommend taking lightweight clothing. Breathable fabrics work best here due to its warm climate all year round. Of course, take some comfy shoes because you'll be walking a lot, and the beaches are just too good to miss. Depending on the age of your children, bear in mind that diapers and baby formula can be quite expensive in Bali, so try to bring what you need. Oh, and for toddlers, don't forget the stroller for exploring all those temples or for those long walks. So why do we recommend Bali as being such an awesome destination for families? Well, from the delicious local food to stunning nature, there's so much to do without spending a fortune. This place is also super safe. The Balinese people love kids, and you'll always feel welcomed. Oh, and the food is amazing. From fresh fruit to delicious sauté skewers, even picky eaters will find something to love. For the best time to visit Bali with kids, we recommend the dry season, which is from April to October. You'll get beautiful weather, less humidity, and perfect beach days. If you visit in the rainy season from November to March, expect occasional showers. But don't worry, there's still plenty to do. So back to the question, is Bali a great family vacation spot? We would say a resounding yes. Whether you're relaxing on the beach, exploring waterfalls, or discovering Balinese culture, there's endless fun to be had, even on a budget. Would you take your family to Bali? Or have you already visited? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more family travel inspiration. Until next time.